Hello and welcome to my new channels. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Windows Server 2016 on Hyper-V Manager. In the previous video I taught how to install Hyper-V on Windows 10. So in this opportunity I am going to show you how to create virtual machine on Hyper-V. However, you'll learn the installation of Windows Server 2016 on Hyper-V Manager as well. So if you are ready to install Windows Server on Hyper-V, so let's get started. Okay, to install Windows Server 2016, you have to open the Hyper-V Manager. You can find here, type Hyper-V. Okay, here I have opened it before. Okay, now to create a new virtual machine, you have to create virtual switch manager before doing anything. Now first of all I am going to create a virtual switch manager. Click on virtual switch manager, and now in here it says that what type of virtual switch do you want to create. We have external, internal and private. Okay, you can create all of them and you can create one of them as well, and the switch I am going to create, that is internal. As you can see, it says create a virtual switch that can be used only by the virtual switch. As you can see here, it says create a virtual switch that can be used only by the virtual machine that run on this physical computer, and between the virtual machines and the physical computer. An internal virtual switch does not provide connectivity to a physical network connection. Okay, and the switch I am going to create, that is internal. Create virtual switch. So now here you have to type your virtual machine that you want to create. The name of virtual machine is very necessary, because at the time of installing of your Windows, you might probably you might trouble to find your virtual switch. So I am going to type my virtual switch name, my virtual, for example, my virtual switch. Okay, click apply, and okay, now it's time to create new virtual machine on Hyper-V Manager. Click on new, or you can click here, new and virtual machine. Click next. It is the name of your virtual machine that you want to create. For example, my virtual machine is Windows Server 2016. Click next, and I'm going to select the generation 1. Next, here it says startup memory, and the memory that I want to give it 248. Click next. Okay, it's time to select your virtual switch. So the virtual machine, the switch I have created before, that was my virtual switch. Now I am going to select my virtual switch. It is the network adapter, okay, card. Here you are, my virtual switch. Next, and Here you can create virtual hard disk. The name was that I have created, that was virtual Windows Server 2016. So the location that I want to save this virtual machine, now I'm going to find the location, browse, and where I want to save it. Here now I am going to create a new folder, for example Windows Server 2016 on Windows 10. Click on select folder, and the virtual hard disk would be 14 GBs. Click next, and here you have to select the ISO file, or if you have DVD drive or C drive or CD, or here it says install an operating system from a bootable CD, DVD, ROM. You can select your DVD ROM here. So now I have ISO file or image of my Windows Server 2016. Now I'm going to select the image file. Now I'm going to find my ISO file of Windows Server 2016. Click on browse button. Now I'm going to find my ISO file. Okay, this is the file that I'm going to select. Open. Now click next. Click finish. As you can see, my virtual machine is created now. It's time to install. To install, you can select your virtual machine and click on connect. Whenever you can right click on your virtual machine and click on connect button. Okay, now click on start button. And now you have to select your language, or my favorite language is English, and now click next. Click install now. Here we have 4 edition of Windows Server 2016. We have standard evolution and standard evolution desktop experience it, and data center evolution and data center of evolution desktop experience it. Okay, this standard evolution is the core editions. Okay, now the edition that I want to install, desktop experience, it is full graphics. Okay, this is my favorite one. Click, and now click on next button. Next, if you want to clean install, you have to select the custom button, install Windows only, not to select upgrade. Install Windows only advanced. This is my hard drive, and now click next button. Now it's installing. We will wait for about 10 minutes, about 15 minutes. Okay, Now you have to type your password. If you do not want to type, you can leave it. So now I am going to type my password. Click finish. You have to click this one. Okay, Control Alt Delete. Here you are. You have to type your password. As you can see, the installation of Windows 10 and Windows Server 2016 has been successfully created on Hyper-V Manager. So now you can enjoy your Windows Server 2016. In the next tutorial, I am going to show you about configuration of Windows Server 2016. Till the next video, take care and goodbye. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel.